Learn about how to use round function in Excel. The round function in Excel allows you to round a number to a specified number of digits. Let's walk through the function with the help of this table. So here I have already created a table with value, and we need to find out the rounded value. To find out the rounded value, we need to type here is equal to, type round, open parenthesis, click on the value, press comma. So here we want a specified number of one digit, so for that we need to type 1 and close parenthesis, press enter. So you can see that we got a specified number of one digit after dot. To find out a specified number of 2 digit, we need to follow the same process, and we need to type here is equal to, type round, open parenthesis, click on the value, press comma. Now here we want a specified number of 2 digits, so for that we need to type 2 and close parenthesis and press enter. So you can see that we have found a specified number of 2 digits. So that's how we can use the round function in Excel. Thanks for watching this video.